Hello, I'm Patricia White, Assistant Financial Services Director for your vibrant City of Tamarack, here with a budget tidbit that is focused on the capital improvement program that is included in the city's annual adopted budget. The Capital Improvement Program, also commonly referred to as the CIP, is governed by the Florida statutes and mandated by the city charter. The CIP outlines a 6-year spending plan for the acquisition, new construction, and renovation of major city assets. Simply put, based on long-term planning, the CIP addresses funding sources for projected asset needs while remaining within financial constraints. The CIP being proposed for the fiscal year 2023 budget amounts to approximately $43 million across various city capital funds. Capital funds have no real revenue of their own and rely mainly on transfers in from other funds. Some projects with funding being appropriated in fiscal year 2023 include the Caparella Park parking lot expansion, a buffer wall along Commercial Boulevard, a citywide AMI meter replacement program, and the construction of the new water treatment plant and water distribution expansion for the east side of the city.